Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive with NotebookLM and how easy it actually is. Before we start, if you enjoy simple tech tutorials like this, feel free to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Alright, let's get into it. First, a quick explanation. NotebookLM is an AI tool created by Google that lets you upload documents like PDFs or Word files and interact with them. Basically, you can ask questions and get smart answers based on your files. Now, to get started, open your browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account. After logging in, click on the option to create a new notebook. You'll be asked to give it a name, just choose anything you like. Next, you'll see an area where you can upload files. Instead of uploading from your computer, look for the option that lets you import from Google Drive. When you click on it, your Google Drive will open automatically. There's no extra setup required. Everything works instantly as long as you're using the same Google account. From there, simply browse your files, select the document you want, and click to insert it into your notebook. And that's it. Your file will be added directly from Google Drive, without needing to manually connect anything. So the key thing to remember is, as long as you're signed into the same Google account, NotebookLM and Google Drive are already linked. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.